Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using Weebly. Getting started is straightforward. First, you will choose your website type, whether it is for a business, a personal portfolio, or an online store. Then, select a professional template that aligns with your vision. Finally, register a new domain name or connect one you already own to establish your online presence. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now, let's dive into designing your site. Weebly's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to add elements like text, images, and videos exactly where you want them. You can easily customize fonts, colors, and backgrounds to reflect your brand's unique style. Remember to organize your pages and navigation clearly, ensuring visitors have a smooth and enjoyable experience exploring your new website. With your design in place, it is time to add compelling content and powerful features. Upload high-quality images and write engaging text that resonates with your audience. If you are selling products, integrate Weebly's robust e-commerce features to manage inventory and process payments seamlessly. Do not forget to include contact forms, maps, and social media links to connect with your visitors effectively. The final step is to publish your fantastic new website. Before going live, meticulously review every page to ensure everything is perfect. Once published, focus on optimizing your site for search engines to attract more visitors and expand your reach. Remember to monitor its performance regularly and make updates to keep your content fresh and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.